Stop doing squats for your ego right now. If you think slapping more plates on the bar to post a story is going to make women look twice, you've been scammed by gym bro culture. There is a biological performance switch in a girl's brain, a primal signal that tells her you're capable, athletic, and powerful, and it has nothing to do with your 1-rep max. In fact, the one muscle group that actually triggers this signal is the one you half-ass every Friday, if you even train it at all. You're in the gym, loading up the squat bar, thinking if your legs get just a bit stronger on paper, you'll finally feel confident. But you don't. You walk into a party the next day, swimming in your jeans or hiding in shorts that hang off you. Meanwhile, there's a guy who might not even lift as heavy as you, but he moves differently. He has a presence. His physique fills out his clothes in a way that screams natural strength, not forced effort. You think it's just his genetics or his height or the clothes he wears. But that's not the full story. Girls are not impressed by weight room numbers they never see. They can't see your quads sweep under your jeans. They don't care about your squat PR. When they see you move, when you walk across a room, get up from a chair, or just stand there, their subconscious is scanning for biological signals of athleticism, power, and virility. And the crazy thing? That signal comes from a specific set of muscles you've probably been told are just for aesthetics. Today, I'm going to show you that muscle group, why it matters more for raw attraction than any other, and exactly how to train it, with or without a gym, so you stop training for the rack and start training for the real world. Most guys will hear this, skip to the comments to argue, and then go straight back to curling in the squat rack. If you're not one of them, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the blueprint to building a body that moves as good as it looks. Also, comment performance down below to let me know you're done just looking like a lifter. Now let's fix your foundation, the phantom power problem. You walk into any social situation and you feel it. You feel like you have to prove you're strong. You've got the gym stats, maybe even some arm definition, but your presence doesn't match the resume. You see guys who just look naturally powerful. They have a solidity to them, a confidence in their movement that doesn't need to be spoken. You go to the gym, you squat because you're supposed to, you dread leg day, hoping that checking the box will be enough. But nothing changes. You're still awkward in your own body. You still move like a guy who thinks about moving, not like an athlete. Here's the brutal truth. You're building show muscles on a weak frame. You're training for pictures, not for the powerful, grounded, and attractive posture that comes from true posterior chain development. The modern male epidemic, gluteal amnesia. We need to name the enemy. It's called gluteal amnesia. Your most powerful muscles have literally forgotten how to fire. Why? Because you sit all day. Sitting shuts off your glutes and tightens your hip flexors, pulling your pelvis into a weak, slouched posture. So when you do train, your quads and lower back take over. Your glutes, the muscles that should be doing 70% of the work, are silent. This is a direct path to a physique that screams desk jockey, not protector. The science of the performance muscle. Evolutionary psychology is clear. Women are wired to look for signs of athletic prowess, the ability to run, jump, hunt, protect. But they don't look at your legs first. They look at the result of powerful legs, your posture, your gait, and the shape they create. This is about your glutes. Research points to locomotor performance as a key driver of attraction. It's not about being the biggest. It's about displaying the architecture for explosive movement. A strong posterior chain is the foundation of that. It's the difference between a body built for survival and a body built for show. If your glutes are weak, you look physically incompetent. You'll have flat jeans, a weak posture, and you broadcast fragility. If your glutes are strong, you look capable and explosive. It creates the shelf that fills out your pants, a primal cue of power. It signals a body ready for action. The bedroom athlete muscle, the glutes. Think about every elite sprinter. Every high jumper. What do they have in common? Powerful, developed glutes that look like loaded springs. Now think about the guys who look slow, who sit all day, flat. Your glutes are the engine of your body. They are the primary muscle for sprinting, jumping, and generating raw power. When a girl sees a guy with strong, active glutes, her subconscious brain translates that as capable, as athlete. Weak glutes read as sedentary, as soft. The 3 glute functions and how to target them. Your glutes have 3 jobs and you must train all of them. Extension, the power generator, driving your hips forward. This is the sprint, the jump. Abduction, the stabilizer, moving your leg out to the side. It keeps your pelvis level when you walk. Weakness here leads to an awkward hip drop, a signal of instability. External rotation, the protector, keeps your knees tracking properly. It's the hidden guardian of your frame. Phase 1, the awakening, weeks 1 to 2. Neural connection. Before you load the bar, wake up the muscle. How to train it, home version. Glute bridges with 5-second hold. Drive hips up, squeeze hard, hold for 5 seconds. 4 sets of 12 reps. This is neural reprogramming. Clamshells. Lie on your side, open your top knee like a clamshell. 3 sets of 20 reps per side. This targets the neglected glute medius. Bird dogs. On all fours, extend opposite arm and leg. Hold for 3 seconds. 3 sets of 10 per side. Teaches your glutes to work with your core. How to train it. Gym version. Do this before your leg day. Band walks. Mini band around knees. Take 10 controlled steps side to side in a slight squat. 3 sets. Bodyweight hip thrusts with pause. Explode up. Squeeze for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. 3 sets of 15. Master the mind muscle link. Phase 2. The builder. Weeks 3 to 8. Adding load and shape. Now we add strength and size with intent. How to train it. Home version. Single leg glute bridges. Elevated. Upper back on a couch. 1 leg extended. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Bulgarian split squats. Rear foot on a couch. Lower back knee toward floor. Use a backpack for weight. 3 sets of 10 per leg. Nordic hamstring curl. Negatives. Kneel, have a partner hold your ankles. Slowly lower your torso, resisting with your hamstrings and glutes. 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. How to train it. Gym version. Hip thrusts. The king. Add weight consistently. Full range of motion, hard squeeze at the top. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Add 5 to 10 pounds each week. Romanian deadlifts. RDLS. Hinge at hips. Keep back straight. Feel the stretch. Squeeze glutes to return. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Cable kickbacks. Isolate the glute at its peak contraction. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. This is just one piece of the puzzle. My channel is a complete system to rebuild your physique from the ground up. To get the next step in the full blueprint, make sure you're subscribed. The integrated 8-week blueprint. This is your new lower body priority. Day 1. Gym power. Heavy hip thrusts, 3 times 8. Barbell RDLs, 3 times 8. Cable kickbacks, 3 times 12 per leg. Day 2. Home activation. Single leg bridge holds, 4 times 30 seconds per leg. Clamshells, 3 times 20 per side. Deep squat holds, 3 times 45 seconds. Day 3. Gym growth. Moderate hip thrusts, 4 times 12. Bulgarian split squats, 3 times 10 per leg. Band walks, 4 by 15. The unseen levers, recovery and mindset. You can't build a new foundation on junk. Protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight daily. Sleep, 7 to 8 hours minimum. This is when your body repairs and grows. Mindset, shift, stop viewing your body as a decoration. Start viewing it as an instrument. Every rep is practice for a more powerful stride. Confidence becomes something you earn rep by rep. In weeks, your pants will fit differently. You'll stand straighter. You'll feel the spring in your step. You'll move with an authority you don't have to think about. People will say, "You look like you've been athletic." That's the power of the performance muscle. Don't be the guy who looks strong in a mirror but moves like a statue in the real world. Be the guy whose posture broadcasts capability. This isn't just about filling out your genes. It's about moving through the world like you own your body. I only share a fraction of the body's hidden signals here. The next video exposes why the standard bulk and cut is keeping you small and soft. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Now get off your phone. Go activate your glutes. Reclaim your foundation. The guys who just watch stay the same. The guys who subscribe and take action get results. If you're ready to be part of the change, click subscribe and let's build this together.